Our lab specifically looks at marine diseases and parasites because parasites are everywhere and they serve as a great indicator across trophic levels of different species as to how the environment's doing, how an ecosystem is functioning. And so part of my long-term monitoring under the Marine Disease Lab is to look at mummy chugs to see what parasites are infecting them, in what abundance, and how that changes from year to year and across different locations within the Road River. The fish are collected in the field by another lab at CERC, and they'll bring us bags of around 30 fish for the different sites. And currently I believe I have 9 or 10 different locations in the Road River. Once I get the fish, I'll remove them from the freezer and go through the steps to remove the different organs and scan for parasites. So for fish, we target a couple different areas. So we're looking at the outside of the fish to see what parasites might be hanging on, and those would be like leeches or different kinds of copepods. And then we look inside the fish and we like to target the intestine because it's part of its digestive tract, and you frequently will find parasites there, different types of worms. We also look at liver tissue, we look at muscle tissue, brain tissue, and the gills. And then this is cataloged and looked at over many different years.